Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove background noise in Audacity. So first I'm simply going to open up my program, Audacity. Just give it a few seconds. Alright, so from here we want to record some sample audio. So I'm just going to click on the record button. Testing the mic. Okay, and let's hear it before the audio or the noise reduction. Testing the mic. Alright, so this is what it sounds like. Now basically what we need to do is highlight some of the audio before we start speaking. So this is where we started speaking, so I'm just going to left click on it and drag it around here so we get a good sample size before these, whatever these sounds are. So now that we have our sample size, we want to click on Effect and then scroll to Noise Reduction. And now after we have this highlighted, we want to click on Get Noise Profile. Okay, and now we simply repeat this step. We click on Effect again, and then we go Noise Reduction. And this time, oops, sorry, I forgot to tell you, we have to highlight the whole audio. And like I said, Effect, Noise Reduction, and then we click on OK. And as you can see, this will alter our audio a little bit. So if we just listen to it. Testing the mic. So yeah, now we don't have background noise. If your background noise is really bad, you can do this or repeat the step 1 or 2 times. But that's how you do it. I hope this was useful. Don't forget to like and sub. Bye.